Hi everyone, my name's Luke, and today we want to show off this awesome cart that some of our designers have put together. So what you can see here, it is a bit of a kitting cart slash work table slash workbench. So you can see across the top here, we have special attachments where you're actually able to hang different totes or boxes. And you can just easily remove them like so and add them on just like this. And the fantastic thing is that you can actually use smaller boxes, you can use larger boxes, you can add different attachments within the boxes, and this can make it a really easy to use workspace, and it's quite heavy duty and robust. Now, the next thing that I want to highlight on this fantastic cart is some of the rubber matting that we have on top of the table here. So this just makes it easy. It doesn't damage the materials, doesn't damage the carts, and just makes it a much easier surface for your operators to work on top of. Now, the next thing that I can highlight here on this cart is that you can see here that it has a handlebar. This makes it very easy for the operators to move this cart around or this work table. Make sure it's in the right place at the right time. Make sure people are able to work alongside with it. Now, you can see here on the back, if I just turn this cart around, there is an attachment so you can add a clipboard like so. You're also able to hang some papers on the side here. This really is an all-in-one workspace. On the bottom here you have two drawers. So this is where you can either add the finished products or you can add materials there for the build along the assembly line. You can slide them out just like so, push them back in, pull the locking down, and it keeps them secure in place. Now, the final thing that I would like to highlight is actually the forklift pockets. So if you do need to transport this cart around, you can actually use a forklift to do so, even if it's fully loaded or not. This cart does come with two swivel casters as well as two fixed casters, so it does make it a little bit easy to move around rather than having 4 fixed casters. I think this design is actually a really awesome design. Now, we've done a fantastic job on this and we can't wait to get these out to the customers. So if you are looking for some sort of workspace design, workbench design, go through our kit carts on our website. You can reach our website at www.flexqube.com. If you see anything that you think you could be used, reach out to us, or if there's something there you would like a design or to edit this design in some way, you can also reach out to our designers. Thanks very much for watching the video, guys.